So if you have a litter robot that's giving you a bonnet removed error, there's an easy fix for it. Basically what you want to do is get the robot taken apart. I've got the top and the bottom separated here, but the screws you're going to want to take out, there's one down here, one over here, and then you've got two more on the other side, and you've also got two in each handle, so here and there. Same thing on the opposite side, two more there, and then the last one is right on the back right here. Take that out, be careful. I just pull it straight up, that way you didn't have to pull the screws out. And then what you're looking for is right over here, the purple and black wire. Actually, if it was before I cut this off, it'd be connected with these little connectors right here. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this, and then I've got a connector to join it together. I'll strip some wire off on either end, connect this together, and then that way you'll never have bonnet removed error again. You're not going to have night light anymore because this is what powers the light, but it'll keep you from having that error.